So hi everyone. Alibaba Group has recently released Marco-o1, which is a 7 billion model and which is a reasoning model as similar to OpenAI-o1, which is trained on chain of thought dataset. So by default, if you ask it any question, it usually answers in a chain of thought style itself. Apart from that, being open source, it can be used by anyone and the initial response looks very good. So in this particular tutorial, we'll be running how you can use Marco-o1. I have already explained different details of Marco-o1 in the previous video. You can check that out. So to get started with Marco-o1, you first need to install Ollama. Ollama, if you don't know, is a software which helps you to access local LLMs. Now, if you see here, you just need to go to Ollama, click on download, and Ollama will get downloaded. You just need to install it. Very easy to use. Once you are done, you need to go to this particular code snippet and you need to pip install langchain-Ollama. This will take some time. Once the installation is done, rest of the part is very easy. You just need to import Ollama LLM, and here as you can see you need to mention the model name Marco-o1. Now when you're doing it for the first time, this might take some time because Marco-o1 will take some time to download, which is 3 to 4 GBs if I remember correctly. And rest the entire question you can create the entire chain according to your use case and then get started. So the first question that I asked was chain invoke question. What is 2 plus 29 minus 3 cross 10? So basically, even if I don't provide this, let's think step by step, it won't matter because it will give you the similar output. Now, as you can see, the detailing is great. All right, I need to solve the expression 2 plus 29 minus 3 into 10. First, I will recall the order of operations, that is PEMDAS, parenthesis exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Now here you can see that in such a detailing it has solved the equation and the final output is 1, which is correct. One important aspect of Marco-o1 is reflection. So once it gets to an answer, it eventually re-accesses whether the answer it has calculated is right or wrong. So it's more of a verification step that comes with Marco-o1 by default, which is very similar to OpenAI-o1. The second, but as the Alibaba team has mentioned, they are trying to make Marco-o1 more for open-ended questions which don't have an exact answer. So question like why everyone is sticking to their phones nowadays, what happens when I die, how to be more happy. So Marco-o1 is more focused on such problems. So I will try out one question from that realm as well. Why everyone is sticking to their phone nowadays? So here you can see that it is giving you an entire breakdown. First, smartphones are incredibly powerful and versatile. Then there's the convenience factor. With mobile devices, you can access information. Another point is social aspect. Smartphones are not deeply integrated. Technology behind smartphones are advanced. But wait, is it just convenience and technology driving this behavior? It has given such a smart answer, such a coverage of different aspects that's great, and giving a summary as well. And then this is the final output that comes in. So eventually, if you are able to understand, you are able to see the entire conversation that is going. This is a thought part, as you can see, right? And it has different sections that are coming up. So looks crazingly good. This is the actual output, but you are getting a thought section as well. So I would suggest you to use Marco-o1 ASAP. The results are great. I have been using it for quite a while now, and I'm very much impressed by it. The inferencing speed is also fine, given I have very limited resources. So do try out Marco-o1 in your Python scripts and let us know how it works for you. Thank you.